Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. It's summertime, so let's get in this kitchen and make something fun. Today we're going to make some lemon Oreo ice cream, and I'm using my Gourmia 2-quart self-cooling ice cream maker and my KitchenAid Artisan mini stand mixer. Nothing says summer like some homemade ice cream. So let's get started. You're going to need some cream cheese, some sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, half and half, lemon curd, vanilla, and of course lemon Oreos. I will put the full recipe and measurements down below in the description box. First, you're going to start by adding your cream cheese and some sweetened condensed milk to your mixer, and you're going to whisk that together until everything is well incorporated and smooth. Next, I'm going to add in the lemon curd. After that's mixed together, it's time to add in the rest of the sweetened condensed milk. Finally, it's time to add in the vanilla and the cream and half. Now it's time to make some ice cream. Okay, so now it's time to add the ice cream mixture to the machine, and at this point I realized I made way too much and I'm gonna have to do this in 2 batches. But the cool thing about this self-cooling ice cream maker is I don't have to freeze the bowl ahead of time, so I can do 1 batch and then turn around and do another one immediately after. So the time it takes for your ice cream to come together depends on how much liquid how much custard or whatever you've added to the machine, and then how cold it is when you put it in there. So this is what it looks like about 30 minutes in, 45 minutes in. So at this point, I'm ready to add in my Oreos. Now imagine my surprise when I open my brand new lemon Oreos and like a whole row is gone. I've got 3 kids and none of them touched it because they know better. It was the biggest kid in the house. Yep, my husband. He robbed me of my cookies. But anyways, I took about 12 cookies and I used a meat mallet to crush them up inside of a Ziploc bag. And then while the machine was running, I went ahead and added the crushed cookies. So after about an hour, I went ahead and removed the first batch of ice cream from the machine to transfer to the freezer because I wanted to go ahead and get that second batch going. So you can see it's pretty soft right now. If I would have let it go a little longer, it would have firmed up some more, but it'll set up just fine in the freezer. And so now I'm adding the paddle back into my bowl, and I'm adding the remainder of the mixture that had been chilling in the fridge. So this mixture actually came together quicker and it was thicker because it started off cold and it wasn't as much in there. So I added it to my container. Notice these are ice cream containers. These are made specifically for ice cream and they're awesome. I got them online and I'll put a link to purchase in the description box. So this is what the ice cream looked like after it got to sit in the fridge for a couple hours and I served it up for the kids. So good, so creamy, delicious. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.